Hello beautiful people, hope everybody is well today. I have just woken up from a nap, the beautiful life under lockdown. As you can see, it is a exciting salad. It is a Japanese style of salad, so it's not really a Japanese salad as much as a style. So we're going to do Japanese style chicken, hard-boiled egg onto a bed of lettuce, which, surprising fact, is all from our garden, which is cool. And some nori as the little pieces on the side, with some rice noodles. You've got to excuse me, I'm still sleepy face. Yes, pretty simple, pretty basic, bit of spring onions on top of that at the end. And I think again, just post crazy cheat day weekend, we're still doing pretty basic salads to start off the week. Oh, I forgot, and some corn to go with that. Okay, enjoy, have fun, speak to you soon tomorrow. And I actually just started, I loaded the first video on today, which is crazy because I think this is like video 50 something. So I just did another round of editing, which is helping me do better videos, I feel. So you should see a bit of changes. I think in the last couple you should probably have seen some changes anyway. So yeah, keep watching, keep subscribing, or keep liking, keep subscribing, share it, do all the things. I'll chat soon. Cheers.